सो बात करते हैं अपना फर्स्ट NIT, दैट इज द NIT Trichy. ओके, सो व्हाट अबाउट द NIT Trichy? सो इट इज एक्चुअली रैंक ऑल इंडिया over rank NRF ranking is 21. So again marvelous college, and you can understand the importance of this college. Okay, so this is actually located in Tamil Nadu, Tiruchirappalli. So what about the cutoff? So how can you get, means at what cutoff you will get? So this is the round 1 cutoff, but I will talk the last. Okay, so what is the last extent of this? So for the BTech CSC opening rank for the general is 714, and for the home state is 5659. भाई इसी का कट ऑफ है 6417 एंड फॉर द होम स्टेट 11469. फॉर बीटेक मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग ओपन कट ऑफ इज 9035 एंड क्लोजिंग एट 14037. फॉर द बीटेक इन केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग 14501 फॉर द ओपन स्टेट, एंड फॉर द होम स्टेट 24,143. फॉर द बीटेक सिविल इंजीनियरिंग ओपन रैंक के है भाई 16,034 एंड क्लोज जस्ट 33,952 फॉर द home state candidate. Okay, for the BTech production engineering, all these courses you can think. Okay, now talking for the SC. So what about the SC category? So for the SC category open, that is opening rank that is 65 and closing rank is 120 for the SC category. Okay, and for the EC open category rank that is the 582 and close up to 3018. So very there is a tough competition for the SC candidates. Okay, and you can view all of the remaining cut off for this. Okay, now let us move to the placement. So what about the placement? Because placement is important things for any student. Okay, and they want to get into good placement. Okay, so they want the good placement scenarios of all that. So you can get here the report of the NIT Trichy. So number of recruiter visited in the campus is 220 and the placement total till now is 223 plus. So again marvelous and great placement. Okay, placement percentage for the UG courses is 92.8%, mean BTech हो गया भाई, and other courses is 92%, and PG is 87.10% with a great number of LPA. Okay, so highest salary offered is 42 LPA and the average salary offered is 6 LPA. So you can understand the very good college is this. Okay, and the top recruiter are the Volvo, Wipro, ADFC Bank, HP, Yahoo, HCL, Godrej, Texas Instrument, Honeyball, Stanley, Google. So variety of company visited that. So you will get sufficient opportunity in this college. So let us now talk about the fee structure. So what about the fee structure of this college? Okay, so this is actually the fee structure for all. Means for the first year you have to pay 1.62 lakh for the BTech, and MTech 1.1 lakh, MCA 1.07 lakh, and you can get the all this character. Okay, and eligibility criteria, as you know that very well aware, the 10 plus 2 be 75% plus JEE main rank. That all I have talk about that. Okay, and for the MTech passing graduate plus GATE. So this is all about the first our important NIT, that is the NIT Trichy. Now let us move to the next very important, that is the NIT Warangal. Okay, so what about the NIT Warangal? So you can visualize here that the NIT Warangal, it is one of the topmost NITs. Okay, and it was established in 1959, and NRF ranking is also good, means total 45 ranking, means top 50 colleges all over the India. So you can understand the importance of NIT Warangal and most demanding college of that. Okay, now let me talk about the cutoff of this NIT Warangal. So NIT Warangal is, this is the cutoff for the general candidates home state 2622 by open state for the CSC, and for the close up to 1082, means open state के लिए भाई 1082 पे ही close हो जा रहा है. Okay, opening rank. Okay, and for the BTech EC 5529 home state, and for the close हो रहा है भाई for the open state 4291. Similarly for the EC home state 9484 and open state, or you can say the other state, that is the 6644. So there is a tough competition for the other state too. Okay, और हर जगह देखने को मिलता है भाई, especially for the other state. For the chemical engineering you can visualize here that 1,129 for the 14,129 for the open state, and for the home state 25,000. For BTech Biotechnology 21,814 for the other states, and for the home state 28,784. So this is the all of the cutoff of round 1, and you can visualize the cutoff of the round 6. So you will get the round 6. Okay, you will get your dream college, I think, in round 6 according to your rank. You can specify that किसमें मिलेगा आपको. So that's all about that. Now let us move to the placement, that is very important for all colleges. So what about the placement, and what are the company that visited in this? So you can clearly get here the data. The total number of students is 1782, and total number of eligible students is 1446. Okay, so highest salary that got is 62.5 LPA, that is very marvelous, and average salary 25.5 LPA, great for any college all over the India. And median salary you can clearly visualize that. top recruiters are the Adobe, Oracle, SAP Labs, Google, and variety of the company came into this college. Okay, so you can understand the importance of this, that is the NIT Warangal. Now let me talk about the fee structure of this. So this is the actually fee structure for all these courses. For BTech courses, we have to pay 1.3 lakh for the first year, and eligibility criteria is almost same. Okay, and these are the fee structure for the remaining courses, that is the PhD, MSc, BBA, MTech, and MCA. Okay, so this is all the about the NIT Warangal. Now let us move to next very important NIT, that is the NIT Calicut. So talking about the NIT Calicut, so it is one of the important colleges in the Kerala. Okay, and NIT is the topmost. Okay, so it is one of the topmost NITs, and it is established in 1961, and it is rank 2 for the engineering courses. Okay, so for means in among NIT this rank 2, so very important college this. Okay, now let me talk about the cutoff. So how can you get into this college, valid cutoff? So now I am showing you the round 6 cutoff for the BTech CSC, means OS means opening means other states के लिए भाई 168, and for the home state 198. For the BTech CSC other state 3436, and for the home state 10297. भाई अगर आपका रैंक 10297, then you can easily get into this. Okay, BTech in mechanical engineering, so other states का भाई 18621, and for the home state 21300. Talking about the civil engineering, so open states, or you can say the cutoff is 29,982, and for the home state 40,000 पे आराम से आपको मिल जाएगा. ओके, फॉर द बीटेक बायोटेक्नोलॉजी 37,000 फॉर द ओपन स्टेट्स, एंड फॉर द होम स्टेट्स 39,753. सो अगेन लिटिल बिट हायर फॉर द home state. Okay, now talking about the next, that is very important about the placements. What about the placement structure of this, and what are the company that visited in this college? Okay, so this is the placement scenario of this NIT Calicut. So number of recruiters is till now 200 plus, again marvelous, and various students got placed. So you can get the data here, 1138, and highest salary is 67.6 LPA, and average salary is 12.1 LPA. Company visited, that is Trackable, AI, Mercedes Benz, Ola Mobility. Now let us move to the next very important NITs, that is the NIT Surathkal. So talking about the NIT Surathkal, so this is also a important NIT that rank 27 all over the NR ranking. Let me give you the cutoff of this college. So what about the cutoff of this important college? So this is actually the cutoff for the round 6 for the BTech CSC. For the other states you have to be under 11,000, and for the home state 2874. Okay, for the IT, to get IT into this college, again challenging for the outer state, that is 1933, and for the home state 4072 पे आराम से मिल जा रहा. Okay, for the mechanical engineering 11,458, and for the home state 15,978, you can easily get into this, and you can visualize all the remaining cutoff of this college. Now let me talk about the placement scenario of this, that is the NIT Surathkal. So placement is marvelous, and various company visited here. Okay, so number of company visited is 269, and 450 statistics. Okay, so total students is 450. Okay, and not number of company yet to join, that is 15. So more than, you can assume that 300 company visited. Okay, so you can assume very important college. Highest CTC is 15.5 LPA, and the average CTC for this current year is at 21.4 LPA 2022. Okay, what are the company that visited? So ISRO, Bell CRL, GAIL, and Microsoft, DE, SAW, Uber. So variety of topmost recruiter visit in this college. Okay, so you can opt for this college. Very important college is this. Now let us move to next very important NITs, that is the NIT Rourkela. Okay, so बात करते हैं NIT Rourkela का. So NIT Rourkela actually, as you know, that it is situated in the Odisha, and it was established in 1961. So what about the ranking? So ranking is 56. Again marvelous college. So let me show you the cutoff first. So what about the cutoff of this college? So as you can clearly visualize in the screen, भाई आप देख सकते हैं, this is the cutoff for all college. I will talk about the top branches, that BTech CSC. For other state 2327, great competition, and for the home state you can get into up to 8500. Okay, for BTech electrical engineering, previous year cutoff was 11,544, and for the home state 17,988. BTech in mechanical engineering, you can clearly visualize that 16,075, and home state is 20,915, and you can clearly get the all remaining cutoff for that. Okay, now let me move to the placement. So what is the placement scenario of this college? So again, this have a marvelous placement scenario, and the number of students till now get placed is 253. This is the current data. Okay, and number of offers is 848, highest LPA 45 LPA, and the average CTC 9.36 LPA. Company that visited is software manufacturing, electronics, Amazon, Citibank, Bajaj Auto, Apple, Google, Visa. So Apple also visited in this college. So again, marvelous and top things. Okay. Now let me show you the fee structure of this college. So fee structure is this, that is for the BTech first year you have to pay 2.626 lakh, little bit higher, and this is all the fee structure for remaining. Okay. Now let me move to the next top NITs, that is the NIT Durgapur. So again marvelous college and NR ranking is 72. Okay. So NIT NR ranking by 72 hai. Okay. Now let me show you the cutoff of this, that is the NIT Durgapur. So cutoff is for the other state 8,345 and for the home state 11,829 for the CSC. For the EC open states means other states have 13,265 and home state is 15,149. For the BTech in electrical engineering open other state 19,785 and for the home state 19,113. For BTech in civil engineering previous year cutoff for that other state is at 37,455 and home state is 41,406. For the biotechnology you can clearly visualize all the cutoff. Okay. Now let me show you the placement, that is very important for any college. What about the placement and company that is visited? So number of offer still made, that is 530, and increase in average salary is 37%. Okay, and average salary 11.46 LPA, again marvelous, and various company visited here. Okay, so Amazon, Google, Infosys, Wipro, Cognizant, variety of company visited in NIT Durgapur. Now let us move to our next topmost NITs, that is the NIT Kurukshetra, again marvelous college in the Haryana, and it is AICTE approved, that all things, and rank 50. NR ranking is 50, so again marvelous. So first let me show you the cutoff. So what about the cutoff of this college for the round 6? Okay, so for the round 6, if you have belong to a home state, then you have to be under 6,887, and for the other state CSC 5,926. For the BTech in IT for the open state 7,504 and for the home state 9,801. For BTech in EC open state is 12,006 and for the home state 15,150. For BTech in mechanical engineering by previous year cutoff था 24,586 and this year 28,977. For BTech in other courses you can clearly visualize that. Okay, so this is all about the cutoff. Now let me show you the placement, that is the very important for any student. And what about the company that visited here? So you can get the clearly statistics of this college. So number of eligible students is for 2021, that is 1,227, and number of students placed 623. Placement percentage 50.77% till now, and highest CTC that 43.75 LPA and average CTC 11.37 LPA. Company that visited is ICI Lombard, HCL Technology, Microsoft, Adani Group, and Mphasis. So these are the top recruiter of the NIT Kurukshetra. Now let us move to next, that is the very important college of the Bihar, that is the NIT Patna. Again भाई this college is the marvelous, और ये भाई तो NIT IIT पटना से भी आगे निकल रहा है. So you can assume the importance of that. Okay, so what about the NIT Patna? So this is the rank 101 and topmost college all over the Bihar. Okay, and what about the cutoff? So cutoff भाई आपको थोड़ा tough मिलेगा क्योंकि बिहार में college थोड़ा low है, means बहुत कम है. So that's why there will be a cutoff will be low. You can assume here for the BTech CSC for the home state 16,399, for the other state 14,394. Okay, for the BTech in electrical engineering home state 30,797, for the other state 28,295. For BTech in mechanical engineering home state 37,675 and for the other state 37,059. For BTech in civil engineering you can clearly visualize. So this is all about the cutoff of this. You can clearly take the screenshot all that. Now moving to next, that is very important, placement. Bhai, placement is marvelous of NIT Patna and this is situated in on the bank of river Ganga. So very important college. So percentage of students that get place is 130% and highest CTC 1.8 crore per year. So you can assume the important how it is. And top recruiter is Amazon, Meta, Infosys, and these are the various important recruiters that came into the NIT Patna. So again marvelous college of all over the India too. Now let me talk about the fee structure. So what about the fee structure of this college? So this is actually the fee structure. For the first year BTech you have to pay 1.8 lakh and remaining you can see that for the MTech PhD 55,390, and that is all about that NIT Patna. So this is no doubt outstanding college all over the India. Now let us move to our next NITs, that is the SB NIT Surat. Okay, so what about the NIT Surat? So this is rank 101 overall, and what about the cutoff? So भाई कितना cutoff में आपको ये college आराम से मिल जाएगा? So this is the cutoff for the all courses. Okay, for chemical engineering for the open general rank. Okay, so this is the 17,886 and close up to 25,049. Okay, this is the round 1 cutoff. I am showing you the round 6 cutoff. So what is the round 6 cutoff? So this is the round 6 cutoff for the chemical engineering, 17,886 and close up to 31,496. For the EWS, 4,874 and close up to 5,131 for the chemical engineering. Moving for the computer science engineering, that is most demandable branch. So for that 2080 पे वही open होता है and close up to 5,337. Okay, and this is for the EWS candidate. Similarly, talking about the electrical engineering, so it open up to 13,890 and goes up to 17,785. So tough competition for the other state too. Mechanical engineering you can clearly visualize, and for the physics BSc plus MSc you can clearly get out that. Okay. Now moving to next, that is the very important placement कैसा है भाई, because that is the ultimate goal of every student. So this is the placement statistics or scenario of the NIT Surat. So what about that? Number of student placed still got 529, and this was the statistic of 2021, that is 521, and the highest salary that got is 40.51 LPA. Average CTC is 14.8 LPA and the lowest CTC that is 3.3 LPA. So again marvelous college for the all over India, and company that visited the Amazon, Accenture, Adobe, Nokia, Credit Suisse, Deloitte, HBSC and variety of other company that visit in the SBNIT, that is the NIT Surat. Now let us move to the last NIT that is very important, NIT Jamshedpur, that is situated in the Jharkhand and topmost NITs among that. So this is ranked very important 6. Okay, and it is ranked about the 60-30. Okay, means about on 60 तक भाई इसका ranking है, and it was established in 1960 and topmost college of the Jharkhand too. So after IIT Dhanbad. So let me talk about the cutoff of this college. So what about the cutoff scenario of this very important. So I am showing you the round 6 cutoff for the BTech CSC open states, means other states के लिए भाई 8,569, for the home state 10,172 for the CSC. Tough competition for the CSC. For the EC opening rank is 14,247, for the home state 17,897. For the BTech in mechanical engineering 27,602, and for the home state 29,190. For the BTech in civil engineering you can clearly visualize 39,246 for the home states, and for the other state 35,870. आप समझ सकते हैं कि भाई कट ऑफ कितना इसका इंपॉर्टेंट है NIT जमशेदपुर का. नाउ लेट अस मूव टू द प्लेसमेंट सिनेरियो कैसा है भाई, दैट इज द every student want a good placements. What about the placement? So in placement wise also a very marvelous, and the batch size is 582 and total number of female 95. So number of company participated is more than 230 plus, and new recruiter is 70 plus. So new recruiter also came here, and various internship offer, place percentage of student place in 97.2%, highest LPA that is the 72.5 LPA. So this is the highest package of the NIT Jamshedpur, and the average package is 14.72. company that visited here the Amazon, Adobe, Flipkart. So again top recruiter these are that, and it is progressing in a very good way. Okay, now let me show you the fee structure of this NIT Jamshedpur. So this is actually the fee structure of NIT Jamshedpur. For the BTech honors you have to pay 1.88 lakh for the first year, and eligibility is almost same for 10+2 with 50% for the JEE Main, and MTech, MCA, MSc, PhD you can clearly visualize the fee structure. You know the MTech for the MTech graduation you have to be 60% plus GATE and 60 plus all things. So this is all about the top 10 NITs of all over the India. I have given the all detail about the placement scenario, cutoff क्या रहेगा भाई, and enough ranking all about that. So I hope guys this video will be really informative to you. If you like the video then don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel for such important video. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा भाई तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर फर्दर इंपॉर्टेंट वीडियो. तो तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.